Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to walk you through how to edit preferred language on Opera GX. Now the preferred language I'm referring to is a language that you want sites to translate into. So let's get started. Now the first thing you need to do is from the home menu, right click, then select settings, then on the left side here select features, then scroll all the way down until you see preferred language. You can see it's their preferred languages. Now, like I said, letting websites know the language you speak, languages you speak. They'll show content in those languages when possible. So, right now mine is set to I only have English language. I'm translating pages to display, menu settings, alerts, and other text in Opera. So, I have another English here. So, you want to add more, you click on Add Languages, and then you have some selections to pick from. Let's say I want to add another language. Let's say I speak Hausa, for example. I have to speak Hausa, so I can definitely put that. Let's say I speak Igbo, so I put this and I click on add. So it's been added. So websites will give me these translations. We show content in these languages when it is possible. It's as simple as that. If anyone you want to remove, just click the three dots by the corner and click on remove. Right now this is the major one, so it can be removed. So let's try this one, then you click on remove. Because this is the one I chose where my Opera will be displayed, and this is the default, that's why I can't remove this. But you can remove others. You can move it to the top, you can move it down. So it depends on you. That's simple.